Welcome to our events on the TV. It's the Patriot Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Mackenzie 0. I'm joined by Likula.
Yeah, que se pasa que Likula, que se pasa que Likula.
Tola Billy, ne?
Yeah.
How's it still?
I'm not the chaga.
Na lishu nyane one Steve.
Yeah, Nkosi.
No lega imabana.
Nengile Mbombe.
No lega Steve.
Mbombe.
Askis?
Mbombe.
You
Stivo! No bakile ko Mbombela ra o bona.
Go Marabastar. Go Tom Go.
Go Tom Go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kala tabe. Utayeme.
Stivo. Stivo. Ramoena, one sword. No, Robert Tuesday. I came here, but Stivo Artomika really challenging and of Islamo gaming because of the ticket.
Sharp.
Yeah, ticket pro, I get to Rudy railing. Regular ticket. Regular ticket, I too.
Email like gay.
Yeah, email like gay. So, real, by Lucas era. Yeah, it's our Hobart. So, I keep out to Jana, I want a line, yeah, hold none or refits, but number one, I get to make a temper for it. A shiga balaman ish. A young head, a strong. Kilibella from last season. One last season race na temba. I feel like Ngargi last season ya temba kya chu. That man one head. Yeah, and who bets go squatting that man.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
Abon.
So Steve for two. Ya temba aritloele remove el mo gaming.
Sure.
Mo gaming ya rona thank you coach Otlisa this young boy Lethagu Mapena Khoza ke thaba too much ke bona these young boys ba fa chance
Matuta
tsenyane tsa Matuta
Matuta
so actually pele coach arfe those young boys aba introduce ka tsona game tse so ke game tse right re ka selele shalulile ka game so it's too big for this game. Yeah. So yeah, utlo bapala shalile. Di etla di game tsa shalile. Utla bapala.
Mara rested so.
Yeah, game tse di so ari di fibona bafana bo Mabena Khoza.
Batsole game time.
Yes.
Batsole game time.
One swara. Her greatly win 3 point defend the football ya Sundowns changeile. Yes, of course it's one it's change. Ana go ntse but Lena ish I got her. Ruin mara I'm not happy. Yeah, I'm not happy. Yeah, so ke body get ya ka dama. Tshwarela di ka ofela.
Cause ke tlotilele no
on Tuesday for you. Yeah. So I can congratulate the Orlando Pirates o secure title ya bona hape.
Yeah.
Re a tsa ke di boss tsa MTN 80.
Yeah.
League ke a ke doubt ntse re le week so.
Sure.
Ke sa bua le no a ke doubt.
Gore league.
Nna ke collector 3 point Steve.
Yeah.
Ke collector 3 point ke le week.
3 point machine.
Ke problem ya Sundowns. Sundowns se week collector 3 point.
Why?
I khathalo re bapala le.
Without a doubt.
Yeah.
Young.
Ntle le Ravery. Collector 3 point.
Ala batli Tom.
No.
So mama sa go
No, calm down, Shifsi. Calm down. So, ke congratulate Orlando Pirates. Yeah. Le bona ke di champions za MTN 80. Ba right. Yeah, no. Ba right go MTN 80. But ba tseba re cup e golo ke yona e re elwela no kam. Yeah, ke yona ke marathon dai dai.
Yeah, see.
So I tabla potse ba di shapang be ba winner cup.
Short course.
Abatle mo. Yeah. Today manaki ba tlo bala too much but they are copaning Tuesday FNB Skukhune staba number 1 etla tlosa Skukhune ko number 1
Watch baba hlaba Watch baba hlaba
tlhokomela tabe obvious Reynas Reynas it's 2 goals
ka fela chaka Tuesday ba feta ke ita ka go FNB la itseng